Ang laki ng priniprito kong isda. Ang taba-tabang lusog-lusog. Oh, diba? Ang laki. Laki-laki. Oh, diba? Brown na siya. Sarap yan, isaw-saw sa kamatis. Ito na po ang aking baked chicken legs. May ano pa siya. Honey bake. May honey kasi yan. May sauce siya. Ito na yung itlog ko na may dahon ng sibuyas at saka dried radish. Yan na yung umbok ko. At saka nilo naman yung isda ko. Ayan na yung ko, zucchini ko. Prinito ko lang, nilagyan ko ng butter. Saka ko nilagyan ng salt and pepper lang. Yan yung zucchini. Kaya yan, handa na yung dinner. O ombok yan. Yung fish, adobong baboy. At saka egg. Yan, dinner is ready. Hello, this is me, Sally. And this is my survival vlogs. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook this delicious hot pot chicken rice. Here, my chicken rice. Ayan na yung ko, chicken meat. At saka ayan na yung kanin ko. Kumukulo na. Ayan. Bababos na siya. Malapit na maubos yung tubig. Ngayon, ilagay mo naman ngayon sa ibabaw ito. Chicken. Tatakpan mo siya and lower the heat for small para hindi siya masunog. Lower the fire. Lower the fire and leave it there until it's cooked. Yan na, may clay pot chicken rice. Oh, yan na siya. Let's check it out. And add some soy sauce. And mix. And after that, cover it back for a few minutes. Luto na siya, guys. Masarap yan. Oh, clay pot chicken rice. Kulang yan kayong soy sauce. I-add more soy sauce. Stir fry, then bush it with beef, shredded beef. That's beef. I had few pieces of breaded pork chop here. I'm going to deep fry it. I'm heating up the oil. There my oil for my deep fry pork chop. I can even use the chopstick in everything I do. It's almost done. It's almost done. Yeah, that's my pork chop. Breaded pork chop. This is my pork chop. I have to cut into by pieces. I had few pieces of breaded pork chop here. I'm going to deep fry it. I'm heating up the oil. There my oil for my deep fry pork chop. I'm going to test if the oil is hot. I'm going to use this wooden chopstick before I put the pork chop. That's my oil. Now I'm going to put the pork chop into the oil. Because I don't have I use the tapioca starch because I don't have the breadcrumbs. But it also can use the tapioca starch. I put more because these are all 5. Never mind. Cover it sudden, never mind. When the bottom is cooked, I have to put the top. So, diba? This is my pork chop. Deep fry it until it's golden brown. I can even use the chopstick in everything I do. Almost done. It's almost done. Yeah, that's my pork chop. May pwede po siya. My pork chop. I have to cut into by pieces. Madinam ito yung hindi ko alam kung anong isda ito, basta yung Japanese na yun. Parang salmon siya. Kinapa. Taiwan style kinapa. Kinapa siya. Yung yan. Yan ang kinapa dito. Pinutol-putol lang ng hiniwa-hiwa lang ng pira-piraso. Yan yung isda. Salmon yata tawag sa Pilipinas yung isda na ito. Hindi ko lang alam. Basta kinapa yan. Kinapa dito sa Taiwan yan. Yan. Yan ang isda namin mamaya. Ay ngayong gabi. Sarap yan. Japanese ito. Japanese fish. So ako ng zucchini guys. Ang ginamit kong manteka ay ito. Yung taba ng baka, karne ng baka. Yan ang ginamit kong manteka. Yan. Ganyan yan. Masarap yan zucchini. Lagyan ko lang, I just sprinkle with pepper and salt after cooking. Yan siya. Zucchini. Ayan na yung itlog ko. Golden brown na siya. Pahanguin ko na siya. Lapit siyang kumain siya. Ayan po ang aking Chinese cabbage with golden pepper.